It was on the mouldy shelf.
Yeah. Oh my god.
What?
That tastes like a proper sausage roll. That is horrible. Oh my god, this one's good. No.
No?
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really exciting video. We are doing another food taste test challenge. Today we are testing the best vegan sausage roll you can pick up in your supermarket. It's going to be an ongoing series and we're going to do different variations of food. Best supermarket pizza you can buy. We're going to be testing the best supermarket sauces, the best supermarket beans. We're putting them against each other. We're going to score them out of 10.
We are.
And today we're starting off with one of my faves, which I'm so excited, the best vegan sausage roll you guys can pick up. If you are new to the channel, by the way, my name is Sophie, this is my lovely boyfriend Lawrence. We make 3 videos on this channel every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, all about living your best life on a budget. You're gonna want to subscribe. Here you will see we have a whole plate full of vegan sausage rolls that we've managed to pick up in local supermarkets. I really feel like supermarkets are really up in their game in the vegan industry. We have vegan sausage rolls from M&S, Waitrose, Aldi, Iceland. We have sausage rolls from everywhere really. We were also sent some vegan sausage rolls from a bakery because bakeries are now doing vegan stuff, which I think is so cool.
It's fantastic.
The lovely greenhouse sent us these vegan sausage rolls to just to be friendly and send them because they kind of know we're into food and they kind of know we love our vegan sausage rolls. So they sent us some and we thought it'd be great to include them in this video to see if like a bakery option is better than supermarket. The rules of the game are Lawrence is going to present all the vegan sausage rolls in front of me. I'm going to be wearing a blindfold and I'm going to mark each vegan sausage roll out of 10. And whatever one gets the highest score wins, and we highly recommend. Let's try it out. It's a taste test. If you're excited for the video, give it a thumbs up. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, blindfold is on. Christmassy blindfold. Food is out in front of me, isn't it? Ooh.
It is, yeah.
And I'm going to start this side.
Yeah, try that.
I've got my water somewhere here. Guys, if you have suggestions of foods you want us to try in the best series from supermarkets, let us know. Also Christmas themed food, because I can't wait to do that.
Mince pies.
Like the best mince pie.
Okay, go on then.
So, number 1.
All right.
Okay, it feels kind of greasy. Smells good though.
Okay.
I like that, very peppery. Texture's a little bit mushy.
Okay.
I kind of like mushy food.
So, I'm gonna say that's a good thing. Good.
Okay. Alright, so first of all, what's your score out of 10?
My score out of 10, I'm going to give that a 7 out of 10.
Okay.
I like it, it's very peppery.
Yeah.
I like the pastry. The pastry could have a little bit more to it.
Okay.
I feel like the pastry was lacking some. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. I feel like I've had that one before. I think it might be either Aldi or Greggs. I'm going to say that was Greggs.
Okay.
I'm going to say just because the pastry was like kind of not very, it was like a bit soggy, and I think the Greggs sausage roll is a bit soggy pastry, but I don't mind that.
Next one.
Next one.
That one. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Ooh, see this pastry feels good.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Smells kind of similar.
Right.
Better texture.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pastry's really nice. The vegan sausage is really nice. Like, much more flavour. Sage or something in there.
Okay.
Like a bit more to it. Really like that one. I'm going to give that an 8.
Okay. And who do you think makes that one?
I think that might be Aldi.
You think that's the Aldi one?
Yeah, because I'm sure I've had that before. I
Okay.
think. That was really good. 8 out of 10. Maybe even 8.5. This one?
Yeah.
Wow, this is chunky.
Yeah.
By the way, we've warmed them all up so they're at the same temperature. Oh my god, this one's good. No, don't like that.
No? Why not?
Tastes really perfumey.
I know what you mean.
Yeah. I'm not keen on it. Like, it is also a bit dry. I think the first 2 I've tried aren't dry. I think that is probably a 5 out of 10 for me.
Yeah?
It's okay, like for vegan, I can't believe that's vegan. It has got a lot of flavour, it does feel like you're eating kind of a sausage roll. It kind of tastes like those cheap, normal sausage rolls you get from supermarkets. I'm gonna give that 5 out of 10, personally.
Yeah.
I would still eat it if it was offered to me and I wasn't paying for it, but otherwise I probably wouldn't buy that.
And who do you think made that one?
No idea.
Give it a guess.
I don't know. M&S.
M&S.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the next one.
That's the next one. What does it smell like? Don't look very happy.
Doesn't have much smell. That is horrible.
Is it?
Yeah. I don't like that.
No?
Have you ever had a real sausage roll and you get that like gristle bit?
Mm-hmm.
It had that in there. I know it's obviously not because it's not real meat. I don't like that. That's getting a 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10?
Yeah, I don't like that.
What, the flavour, texture, everything?
The flavour's just... Actually, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. The flavour is not that bad. The texture is horrible. It's also really greasy, like my hands are like slipping. Do you agree with me?
Mm.
Yeah.
Where do you think that one's from then?
I have no idea. You have to tell me after.
Really? No guess?
I don't know, like, where did we get them from? Oh, maybe that's Iceland. I think so, actually.
Yeah.
Now I think about it, I think that might be Iceland because one, I've never tried the Iceland one, and two, it's so greasy that I just feel like maybe it's Iceland.
Okay.
Is this the next one?
That's the next one.
Wow, this one's chunky.
Yeah.
Wow, that feels like a proper sausage roll. Oh, smells good. Pastry smells good anyway. Wow.
Did you get much of the filling? Have another bite.
Oh my god.
What?
That tastes like a proper sausage roll.
Does it?
Yeah. It tastes like a festive sausage roll. It tastes like it's got
Like nutmeg?
nutmeg.
Really?
Yeah.
Mmm.
That's actually really good.
I'm gonna have to have a bite of that.
Pastry is really good.
Is it? Let's have a
That tastes like profesh. I can't even believe that's vegan.
bite. Good.
Isn't it?
Yeah, really good.
It's like a lot more effort has gone into that.
Yeah.
To make that like really good.
Just a bit of spice to it, right?
Yeah, it is spicy.
Like I can feel like there's just a tiny tingle in my mouth.
Okay, that's getting a 9 out of 10 for me.
Wow, okay. Who do you think made that then?
I think that is the bakery one.
Greenhouse.
Greenhouse. Greenhouse.
Greenhouse. Last one.
Let's go. Oh, this feels a bit... Oh. No.
No?
Lawrence,
What?
take a bite of that. The sausage is slimy. Come on. Is the sausage slimy?
The texture is not as good.
The texture is slimy.
Mm-hmm.
But actually, now I'm thinking about it, I think that might be Greg's.
Do you reckon that's Greg's?
Yeah, because I do like a Greg's vegan sausage roll. I used to literally obsess over them until I found the Aldi ones. But I remember the Greg's being kind of slimy, especially when it's warm. I'm gonna say this is Greg's. I can't remember now what other Greg's one I said.
But what's your score?
4 out of 10.
4 out of 10.
4 out of 10.
Wow, that's the lowest.
I'm sorry, but that texture really put me off.
And you think that's Greg's?
Yeah, it was too slimy. The flavour's not bad. The 4 is the flavour. That's how it got up to 4. Because the flavour isn't bad. It's like really peppery.
Yeah.
But the pastry is a bit nothingy.
Yeah.
And the texture is way too slimy.
Well, okay. Right. Should we find out the results?
Yeah, I'll take my blindfold off.
Yeah. Okay, so out of all of these 6, that was your favourite.
Yeah.
Your second favourite was this one.
Okay.
Alright. And your third favourite was this one over here.
So these are our top 3s.
Those are the top 3. The one that you liked the least, you go 4 out of 10, is this one here, right? The Greg's sausage roll. So you were right, it is the Greg's.
I thought it was.
Yeah. And it's funny because this is the original.
That is the original vegan.
But it just goes to show, like, this is where it started. But obviously, other people have taken this, run with it, and they've actually improved.
Yeah,
Good
that
effort.
was 4 out of 10. Good effort on the flavour.
They deserve like a little bit of extra credit because they started this whole thing. So, fair play to Greg's, but you actually came last. Joint 4th and 5th, we have these two, alright?
Sorry, but looking at that, which one's that one? Come on.
Well, I'm going to tell you. So you thought this one was Marks and Spencer's.
Yeah.
And you thought this one was Iceland, alright?
Yeah.
In fact, this one is Waitrose.
Right.
And this one is Marks and Spencer's.
Oh, so both of the really expensive
So
ones.
these were really expensive ones, got 5 out of 10.
Look at that. Sorry. That looks like dried up cardboard.
And it had
Tastes
the
like-
texture of...
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it's gross.
That Waitrose one,
That's Waitrose, yeah.
Okay, I wouldn't recommend because that's expensive. I actually got it reduced because it was going out of date.
And it was like £3, right? £3 for 4 little ones.
Normally it's £4.
It's insane.
I paid £2.29.
Because it was on the mouldy shelf.
Yeah.
And this one, the Marks and Spencer's one, that's normally about £3. Anyway, so.
The M&S is not as bad as Waitrose though, by the way. The Waitrose one, against all the others.
Well, you say that, but they both got 5 out of 10.
Yeah.
So, right, let's get rid of them. Rubbish. Third place, second place, first place, third place. Okay, this one you thought was the Greggs, but it's actually the Aldi. You
I'm
gave this
surprised
one
by that.
7 out of 10.
I love the Aldi vegan sausage roll.
Yeah.
The flavour is great, but the pastry just wasn't all that today.
It's a difficult one with the pastry because I guess, you know, with a lot of things, a lot of pastries, they normally put a glaze on it, but a glaze is normally milk or egg or something like that, so maybe it's something that they just can't do.
We wanted to keep it vegan.
It's got to be vegan. Third place, Aldi. Second place, right? You thought this one was Aldi. You thought this one was Aldi. But this one is actually Iceland.
That is weird.
Iceland, 8 out of 10.
And I've never tried the Iceland one.
Never tried it.
I like that. I'd buy that again.
Well,
£2 for 6.
2 for 6?
Yeah.
Not bad. Iceland, get the stamp of approval. Only lives one left, number 1. Now this one's a bit of a difficult one because a lot of you aren't going to have greenhouse on your, you know, round the corner. This one came from the bakery.
Yeah.
And how much better? You gave this 9 out of 10. How much better was it than the others?
They really, like, I think the difference is, which is why I wanted to do like a bakery inclusion anyway, is because if you are going to somewhere that does homemade, it's probably good, they put a lot more effort in.
Yeah.
Like whatever bakery, they probably put a bit more effort in because they've got the time, they're not mass producing it.
So they're based in the northwest, they've got a load of branches around the northwest, so if you live near Manchester or Liverpool or anywhere near there,
You can order those.
They
are good.
Get them.
They are good. Now, there is no bias there, like even if they sent us them and they were disgusting, we would have said, but there is a difference between making it, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, making it fresh.
If you couldn't get hold of like a bakery one, or you didn't want to try out your bakery ones, or you wanted to save bits of money, the supermarket versions, I would say, so would you agree?
100%.
Iceland and Aldi, the cheapest option.
The cheapest option.
Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below which foods you want us to try from the supermarket. We also have some unbranded versus branded food test taste challenges coming up very, very soon. So make sure you are subscribed for that. As always, I upload every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. We love you very much and we will see you again very, very soon. Mwah. Bye!
Bye!